Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to add a header to your Wix website, a step-by-step guide packed with all the essential details. By the end of this tutorial, you'll not only know how headers work in Wix, but also how to customize them to perfectly match your site's style and needs. If you've ever felt confused about headers on Wix or unsure about getting that polished, consistent look, this video is for you. Let's jump right in. First, it's helpful to know that on Wix, every time you create a new page, Wix automatically gives you a built-in header and footer. This means you don't need to set these up from scratch each time. You'll usually see them there ready to go right when you add a page. It's a small detail, but it saves a lot of time if you're moving quickly or working with lots of pages. Think of it like Wix grabbing you a cup of coffee before you start working, just to get things rolling. So let's actually add a new page together. Head over to your site's dashboard, then click on the Pages section. You'll see an option to Add New Page. Go ahead and select that. Give your page a name, maybe About Us or Contact, whatever fits your site. As soon as you've named and created the page, you'll notice that Wix has included the header and footer for you. Unlike some other website builders, Wix does this automatically. There's no need to drag in containers or try to position things perfectly just to get a clean, professional top and bottom area on your page. Now, what if you want something more personalized? A header that feels unique, maybe with a layout or design that fits your brand better. That's absolutely possible. To create a custom header, you'll want to go to the Add Elements section. Here you can search for header. You'll see a variety of header templates pop up with different styles and layouts. Take a moment to scroll through and find one that catches your eye or suits the vision you have for your site. Don't rush. Finding the right look here sets the tone for your visitors across every page. Once you spot the header you want, click to add it onto your page. You'll probably see now that you have two headers, the default one Wix started you with and the new custom header. At this point, you'll want to delete the old header just to keep things tidy and avoid any confusion for you or your viewers. This part's straightforward. Simply select the old header and remove it. One important note, when you're using a custom header, there are a few built-in functions that might not work the same way as with the default Wix header. For example, some header effects, like sticky behaviors or dynamic transitions, might be limited or unavailable. Don't let this trip you up. If your header isn't doing exactly what you expected, double-check if it needs to be customized further or see if there's a workaround in the editor. Sometimes creative design is all about finding new solutions, so take this as a chance to get inventive. And that's all there is to it. Now you've got a header on your Wix website that fits your needs, whether you stick with the automatic one or go for a custom look. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up. It helps the channel out. And if you've got any questions about Wix or headers, just drop them in the comments below. I always read those and try to answer, so don't be shy. For more web design tips and step-by-step guides just like this, make sure to hit subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.